Oh, there's a big giant truck here. He's going they think they're gonna, oh, the fire department just went through it. That's insane. And this big giant, I think they came over here to fix it from the last accident or flood. That is crazy. What? Look how high up the water's coming. This is just, the waves are higher than the road. It's just crazy. Oh, he's backing up to do it again? Really? What are they doing? That's just crazy. There's another car. Maybe he just coming back because he doesn't want to go do anything. Traffic's backing up. I don't know how they get that past the water crossing below. That's crazy. Flirting with danger in those big machines. Maybe they know what they're doing. I don't know, man. But this is intense. Some of the stuff that was shooting up has changed. There's more water than there was before. That is just, there's something else. That is something else. I got paranoid, moved my bike. There's some thunder. If you look off in the distance, it almost looks like it's got some more rain coming in here soon. Which means this is not as bad as it gets, which makes me a little nervous. Maybe I should move to higher ground. I think I'm okay. It's gone back down a little bit. This is my gauge, this gate, it was up a little higher before. So, anyway, video number 2. I hope you guys enjoy the arroyo floods and crazy people driving through them.